When a woman hugs you, many men don't realize that this simple act can be so much more than just a friendly gesture. In fact, a hug is often a powerful way for her to communicate deeper feelings and attraction. In this video, I'm going to show you how to respond to a hug in a way that leaves a lasting impression and keeps you on her mind. Understanding the power of a hug. A hug is more than just physical closeness. It's a silent communicator. The way she hugs you, the duration, the pressure, and even her body position can tell you a lot about how she feels. It's important to recognize these signals because when you respond the right way, you create a moment of connection. If you miss these cues, however, you risk sending the wrong signals like disinterest or insecurity. That's why it's crucial to understand the different types of hugs and how to react to each one. Let's dive into the 4 main types of hugs and break down exactly what they mean. 1. The friendly pat. The first type of hug is the casual, friendly pat. It's quick, lasts just a few seconds, and usually involves minimal contact. You might feel a few gentle pats on the back as she pulls away. This kind of hug is usually exchanged between friends or acquaintances and doesn't carry romantic intent. If she hugs you this way, it's likely that she sees you as a friend and not as a potential romantic partner. But don't be discouraged. This hug is just the starting point. It's your chance to build more attraction and chemistry. By creating more moments of closeness through engaging conversations, shared experiences, or simply being there for her, you can gradually shift from the friend zone to something deeper. 2. The firm hug. Next is the firm hug, which lasts a little longer and has a noticeable firmness when she wraps her arms around you. It's a step up from the friendly hug and suggests comfort and familiarity. However, it doesn't necessarily indicate romantic interest just yet. To respond correctly to this hug, you don't want to pull away too quickly. Instead, hold the hug for just a moment longer than she expects. This simple gesture shows that you're comfortable and confident in her presence. Pay attention to her reaction. If she smiles, makes eye contact, or stays relaxed in your arms, that's a clear sign that she's comfortable around you. This is your cue to keep building the connection and not rush into anything too soon. 3. The lingering embrace. Now, we get to the lingering embrace. This hug is different from the others because it lasts longer than usual. She doesn't pull away right away, and you may feel her body relaxing against yours. Her chest might press closer to yours, and her hands may linger on your back. If you experience this kind of hug, take note. This is a sign of emotional and physical attraction. Her relaxed breathing and the way she stays close to you indicate comfort and trust. Don't be the first to pull away. Instead, mirror her energy. If she stays close, you can reciprocate by lightly touching her lower back or giving a gentle squeeze. This move helps deepen the connection and shows that you're confident and at ease in the moment. 4. The intimate embrace. Finally, the intimate embrace is the most telling hug of all. In this type of hug, she leans into you fully, resting her head on your shoulder or neck. You might notice her breathing slow down, and she might even caress your back lightly. This is a clear sign that she feels safe, connected, and likely attracted to you. If she gives you this kind of hug, don't rush to break the moment. Instead, embrace her naturally, allowing her to feel your warmth and presence. Watch for subtle cues. If she tilts her head toward you, tightens her embrace, or lingers in your arms, these are signs that she's inviting deeper intimacy. If you notice these signs, don't let the moment slip away. Be confident, stay composed, and respond without hesitation. A simple, natural touch or maintaining eye contact as she pulls away will leave a lasting impression and keep her thinking about you long after the hug ends. Confidence is key. No matter what type of hug you experience, the most important thing is confidence. Don't be nervous or try too hard to impress. Just let the moment unfold naturally and respond with quiet assurance. When you stay calm and composed, your body language will communicate that you're secure in yourself and in the connection you share. Final thoughts. The next time a woman hugs you, remember that this simple gesture is much more than just a greeting. It's an opportunity to understand her emotions and respond in a way that leaves a powerful, lasting impression. By recognizing the different types of hugs and reacting with confidence and subtlety, you'll stay on her mind long after the moment has passed. What's the most telling sign of attraction you've noticed in a hug? Share your thoughts in the comments below.